this is the VisioNize Sense gateway router, which comes with 2 antennas and the power supply. Then we have the VisioNize Sense environmental monitor with also a power supply, and this is the VisioNize Sense temperature sensor. So if you order a VisioNize Sense kit, then you get all these components together. So first I want to have a look at the VisioNize Sense gateway router. So we have a USB-A interface over here, port, then an Ethernet port, 2 buttons. This one is a general function button, which is currently not in use. This is a restart button. There we have a USB-C port, which is used for the power supply. On the left side, you have the status LED, and on the right-hand side is the general power LED. And if you turn it around, on the back side, you have 2 interfaces for the antennas. So now I want to show you how to set up this device. So first you take the antenna and just screw them in. So put them vertically upwards and make sure that they are not touching each other and nothing in the surrounding. So then you have to connect this device to the Ethernet, the customer's IT network. Take the Ethernet cable, plug it in. Now you have to connect it to the power supply. So, and I want to take your attention to the LEDs. As soon as I plug in the power supply, the device will start booting up, indicated with an orange LED, which is continuously shining. So this takes some time. You can also see now the Ethernet connection is enabled. It starts blinking, but still the device is booting. So now it switched to green blinking